Hey everyone, hope you guys are having a great day. This is another educational video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to trade the trend line. Actually, I'm going to use the uptrend and downtrend line. Right now, those are the instructions and the points that I'm going to talk about. If you want to take a screenshot to the screen right now in front of you, you can take a screenshot to memorize what I'm talking about. First, what I'm saying is that uh, the trend line, as you can see, we have this uptrend line and this downtrend line, and the price bounces around the trend line. This is also called the price channel. You can use the price channel to trade. So first I'm gonna start with the normal trading. When you see an uptrend and you see a higher highs, a higher lows, then the price is moving to the upside. What you can do is wait for the price to come and touches the trend line. This area is your entry for a trade. Do not enter inside the trend line here or there. No, enter when the price touches the trend line. Where exactly to enter the trade? After you get a good price action candlestick. If you want to know the candlesticks that I depend on, the price action candlesticks that I depend on, check my ideas. You would see I did make a video about the candlesticks that I depend on and consider price action candlesticks. So once you see a good price action around the trend line, you can enter your buy trade, or of course in your downtrend line also you can enter your sell trade when the price touches the trend line. Also, what you can do with the price channel is that you can enter a trade that is actually against the direction of the trend line. You can enter a sell trade around this area. Let me mark it here exactly. You can enter a sell trade if the price touches the price channel from the upside. I would really not recommend to enter a trade that is against the main direction and against the trend, because as you know the trend is your friend. So I would not recommend enter this trade, but actually you can enter it as a small scalping trade just to get small pips from it, but do not make it your main trade, and of course try to close it as soon as possible. But you can, as I said, get some pips from it. So you can enter your buy trade here, your sell trade here. It depends only on the price action candlesticks. So what happened? And the main question is, when exactly I can know that the trend line has been broken? Sometimes you can see a break, but somehow the price continues the same trend again. So the price goes to the downside, break the trend line, and then come back again and continue inside the channel. So when exactly to know that this is a break and not a fake a break of the trend line? Wait for the price action. If you see a very big bearish candlestick that broke the trend line to the downside, and make sure, of course, it's a price action candlestick such as engulfing or a shooting star candlestick, then this is a great opportunity to enter your sell trade. But what I really like is wait for the price to come back again, retest the trend line, and give me another price action candlestick. As I said, as engulfing or a shooting star candlestick, this will be great trade to enter your sell trade. So here's what I'm saying is in the instruction is that the trend line uh, can't be considered ended as long as you are having a higher highs, a higher lows. So you are in an uptrend as long as you have a higher highs, a higher lows. As you can see, once you see a lower high than this, and then the trend line has been broken, then you can consider the trend line has been broken and the direction will reverse to the downside. And it's the same idea in the downtrend. As long as you have a lower high and a lower high, sorry, and the lower lows, then you are in a trend line. Once you get a high that is higher than this, let's see if it stretched to the upside, then you can consider that the trend line has been broken. Wait for a retest, wait for a price action candlestick, and then you can enter a buy trade, which is gonna be great because you're gonna take the trend line from its beginning, so you will get great pips. The second point I'm saying here is that when the price touches the trend line is where you enter the trade. But as I said, please wait for a good price action candlesticks, and you can review my video that I shared actually last week. I shared a video. I talked about the most important candlesticks that I use to enter trades. Look for a price action candlestick each time you trade the trend line. This is what I've said now. And for price channel also can be used to trade against the trend direction. But as I said, this is not really recommended for me. I really like to go with the trend and the main direction of the chart. So I want you just to know that if you are new in forex, that simplicity is the thing that gonna make you win and gonna make you gain money. Not the crazy charts, not using too many indicators, not drawing everywhere and putting lines everywhere in the chart. No, simplicity is the key. Simple ideas is the one that gonna make you make profits. So I hope you guys like this idea. Trade safe, everybody, and have a nice day.